Hello everyone, welcome to Preheat. How to make the real fudgy and chocolatey brownie with that beautiful crinkles on top. After baking the brownie, when you see that crinkles on top, that is a sign of a perfect chocolatey brownie. How to master in that art? Let me show you. Into a bowl, add some dark chocolate with some butter and some vegetable oil or any flavorless oil. Now melt it completely using a double boiling method. When it's melted down completely, keep it aside and allow it to cool down. Now into another bowl, add 2 room temperature eggs. Add some powdered sugar. Mix it nicely. Add few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. Now into the egg mixture, add the chocolate mix and mix it. Make sure the chocolate has cooled down completely or the eggs will get cooked and the entire batter will get spoiled. Now once it is well mixed in, sift in the all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. And mix everything really well. Now our brownie batter is ready. Pour that into a cake tin. Level it up nicely. And bake this in a 150-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Allow it to cool down slightly and you can see that crinkle formed on top of the brownie. Let's cut the brownie and see the texture and do the taste test. It's a perfect chocolatey and fudgy brownie. Look at the texture and the taste is simply amazing. So whenever you're planning to make this brownie, just follow the simple tips and tricks and follow the exact measurements and you'll get the perfect chocolatey brownie each time you make it. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Preheat. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.